The last man who said I'm back was Michael Jordan. He came back and he won 3 titles. Are you channeling some of that?
Well, this comeback is dedicated to the Lord my God.
Final thought. It's been 4 years since you've been hit. How do you prepare for everything that you've known in your past life but haven't been used to the past 4 years?
You know, those 4 years in the past that I retired in boxing, I really miss boxing, and it's good for my body because I'm able to give my body rest for 4 years, because I've been in boxing for how many decades, since when I was 12, so until now. So good for my body to rest for 4 years, and now I'm back. I'm excited to the fight, and I'm really hungry to win again the fight and give the fans